Hey everyone, it's Christina. We're going to do a quick demo today just showing you how to press one of these ceramic star ornaments. We're going to press both sides at the same time. So we're going to show you how to tape and what you need. We press these at 385 degrees for 130 seconds with medium pressure. And then we flip it over and press it for another 30 to 40 seconds, depending on your press, to do the other side. First thing you need is you need a soft pressing pillow. We have these on our website. They're perfect for doing any kind of ceramics. You don't get any breakage because the ceramic ornament actually will push into the pad when you close the press, and that makes you get an even press on the blank. So first thing we do is clean our blank. You don't want any fingerprints on it, and then we're going to tape it up. So I created my designs to have a very large bleed area, and this is what we're putting on the back side. So I just center that and tape it all down together. I sometimes over tape, but it's just me. I like to be, I guess, careful. Okay, now because I have black text on the smaller image for the reverse side, I like to tape all the way around, just in case there's any off-gassing. You don't want it to ghost on your blank. You have to forgive me, I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. Okay, so that's that. I've got my press all ready to go. I put the full-size print face down to start, and cover that up with paper. Okay, so 130 seconds. Almost done. It's a 5-second warning. Okay. So I'm just going to flip this over and press for another 30 to 40 seconds. Rather than resetting my press, I just stop it at 100 instead of resetting it to 30 seconds. There we go. Okay, so I have a little fan set up, and what we'll do is just set this in front of the fan, let it cool, and then I peel it. So it just takes about a minute, and then it'll be cool enough that we can pull the transfer off. It is still pretty warm. There we go. Okay, so we've got your one side and your other side. Now, I can only do the pressing both sides at once when I have an image that's smaller than the blank on the one side. Otherwise, you can't tape them. So I am going to do another one in a little bit where you have to cool the blank in between, and then you tape your other image on and then repress it. And I press those ones for 130 seconds each side. So I will do another demo showing that, but this is how you can do a full photo, and then just something on the back, whatever, whether it's Christmassy or, yeah. So I hope that's helpful, and yeah, we'll talk to you all soon. Take care.